Hello again. Today we're going to be discussing temporary resident status and the ability to travel inside and out of Canada as a temporary resident. When you obtain a temporary resident visa or visitor visa, it means that you come from a country which is not visa exempt and you require this visa to enter Canada. Once you enter Canada, you're able to remain in Canada for the duration of the visitor visa or temporary resident visa as it has been issued by CIC. You'll notice right on the visa itself the validity dates to and from. A common question: can you exit Canada once you've entered on a visitor visa? And this is a two-part answer, being yes and no. If you have a single entry visa, it means that you're able only to enter Canada one time and exit Canada one time. Again, this means that a single entry allows you to come to Canada for the duration of your intended purpose and the authorization of your visitor visa, and that's it. Once you exit Canada, you are no longer able to re-enter on that visitor visa, regardless if you exit ahead of the authorized period of stay. For example, if your visitor visa expires in December of 2014 and you exit Canada on November of 2014, that does not mean that you have another month of time to enter and exit Canada again. You've used up your single entry and you've exited. Therefore, if you wish to enter again in the future, you'll have to apply for another temporary resident visa. At the same time, there are also visas that allow for multiple entry. This means that for the duration of the visitor visa, you're able to enter and exit Canada at will, meaning you can come and go from Canada as you please throughout the duration of your visitor visa. Now, from an officer's perspective, when processing these applications, you'll want to demonstrate strong ties to your home country. It's not as easy as simply requesting, well, I want a multiple entry visa. When you ask for one, be sure that you have strong supporting documents to demonstrate that you will not remain in Canada illegally and that your intended purpose in Canada reflects someone that would have to travel to and from. Usually people who are coming for vacation purposes or just to visit will only request a single entry because they only need to come and go one time to fulfill their intended duties. So consider what it is you're trying to accomplish in Canada, because you may have your visitor visa application refused outright because you asked for a multiple one when an officer feels that only a single one is necessary. Don't let such a silly mistake be the reason that you're refused. At the same time, once you've obtained a visitor visa to Canada, you're able to travel throughout Canada for the duration of this visa. You might even be able to enter the US, depending on where it is you're intending to going and what your intended purpose in the US and your country of citizenship, of course, and their own rules. So there's a lot of different things you can do with a visitor visa, but obviously getting to Canada and getting your foot in the door is the first step. Once you're in Canada, you can apply for extensions or try and change your status from inside Canada to one of a worker or a student, depending on other statuses or other options that may become available to you while you're here. For many, the visitor visa is the access or route to Canada, and once they're here in Canada, they're able to then fulfill another intended purpose. I hope these tips have been helpful to you and you have an understanding of the overall factors that one might need to assess when submitting their application for a visitor visa. Thank you, and hope to speak with you again soon.